No, no, come on. Oh, a final hit. Come on. Yes! Reaching the final stage, guys. After just 25.5 million steps of training, that is more or less a couple of weeks, 24/7, with the standard NVIDIA board. And so a small observation space allows for a very good speed up. Final boss now. Okay, looking good so far. Usually the final boss is not as hard as the semi-final. As you can see, we are able to land a perfect on the first round. Hello 𝗀𝗃, glad to have you here. Hope you are doing great. Come on. Yes, yes. Ooh, nice combo. Okay, looking good. 𝗂𝗵𝗶𝘃𝗀𝗏. We completed the game, guys, after just 2 weeks of training, so you have no excuses, you know. Within our AI tournament, you can arrive to this very high score of 20.02 in just a couple of weeks of training. You have all you need on the GitHub there, and so it's something that is very, very feasible, as you can see here. Now,